None auntie. One. No auntie. Auntie ले लो.
So, great evening to all dear friends. All are here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's great. Okay, so can we switch on our videos so we can see each other? Right? Yeah, Shrikant. Yes. All of you, Kalika. Yes. Okay. Right. Nikki. Yes. Okay. Okay. I would like to see all of you. Right. So, should we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
So please mute yourself so we can see, we can hear everything very clearly. And whenever you are supposed to ask something, then you can unmute yourself, right? Okay. So let the other participants also come so they can join later. So we'll begin with the time. Okay. So great evening to all my dear, very smart, dynamic, enthusiast participants. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Lavanya Patel, psychologist, counselor, hypnotherapist, NLP, Neuro Linguistics Program trainer, life coach, and the director of Ananya Life Skills Center. And for the last 20 years, I'm just exploring, experimenting, and contributing in the field of mental health. And I'm blessed to be the trainer in police department, chartered accountants, company secretaries, medical association, engineering association, management colleges, Rotary International, and many corporates like Hindustan Unilever, Reliance, Wellspun, Crompton Reeves, Atul Industries, and so many other companies. And I'm throughout a meritorious student, NCC cadet, university president, fitness freak, and I am the ex-board member of Child Welfare Society and the Prevention of Women's Sexual Harassment Committee. And I am the in charge of mental health programs in school. And I'm very much happy to announce, my dear friends, since 2021, I'm going to be the trainer in government development program for technical colleges throughout India. And this year, 2020, I'm awarded the Women of Distinction 2020. And thanks to all you, my dear friends, for giving me the multiple opportunities to sharpen my X. Okay, so this is all about me and all my dear friends. We are here with a very wonderful topic, and the topic is power of visualization. So let me begin with the sharing of the screen. Okay, 1 sec, 1 sec. Okay, so are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
We are here with the topic of power of visualization, right? So, whatever we do, the point is, whatever we do, whether we are doing the training program or any making relationship or going to the office daily, or whether we are doing some exercises or making more plans for the finances or studying hard or doing the dieting, all these things we are doing to get certain results, yes or no? But
Yes.
sometimes what happens? Sometimes we get results, sometimes we don't. Sometimes we are successful, sometimes we are not, right? But there, and this is the truth of 96% people. And 96% people are doing their best to get their best results, but there is one community of 4%, and these 4% people are very, very certain about their results, and they're enjoying all sort of good health, wealth, and happiness. So what is the secret behind that, right? And who are these? These are the world-class athletes. They are the very high achievers. They are the players, they are the inventors, they are the business executives and leaders. And the secret behind that is the power of visualization. And what is that power of visualization? Anybody can tell me? You can unmute yourself, because more and more we are conversational, and it will be very good. Anybody can tell me?
Ye- Yeah, hi ma'am.
Hmm.
Using visualization is like I'm Dr. Himani Padhyay, by the
Yeah.
way.
Yes.
Using visualization is actually a technique where you imagine the outcomes of whatever you want to achieve. So
Yes.
it's like mentally playing a film inside your head that this is how I will see myself.
Yes.
Maybe lecturing or speaking or achieving a fitness goal, whatever.
Right, right, right. Absolutely. Fantastic, Dr. Imani. And now let's see what is the technique of visualization. Whatever Dr. Imani is saying, absolutely true. Visualization means seeing the final results in advance. And in fact, it's not only about seeing, but it's about smelling, it's about feeling, it's about touching, it's about experiencing, and it's about hearing the sounds of the desired outcome in advance, right? So this is the total process of visualization. And if we can conceive one image, very powerful image, where the vision is there, the picture quality is there, when the hearing sounds are there, when the experience and feeling is there, meaning is one image is more powerful than 1,000 words. That's why visualization process is actually super process to get any success in every type of field. So again, let me share you something. Okay, right now see. Perfect. So how does it happen? Now see, before starting any work, we are supposed to conceive something very crystal clear in the process of visualization. First, you are supposed to see the clear picture. So I'm just showing you one pic. That is, the person is standing and he's supposed to play in the ground. He's an athlete. सबने देखा होगा मिल्खा सिंह movie. बट दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ विजुअलाइजेशन, जहां आप अपने आप को उस ऑडिटोरियम में देख रहे हैं, एंड नाउ यू आर सीइंग द कंप्लीट क्राउड ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल. Once you see the crowd is there to applaud you, then you are visualizing to achieve that progress. what you are supposed to do, right? Then you are seeing it, you are feeling it, you are experiencing it, and you are hearing the sounds what your near and dear are talking about you. लोग क्या बोलते हैं आपके बारे में, once you have already achieved that, लोग आपको फोन करके क्या बोलते हैं, आपके नियर एंड डियर आपके पास आके क्या बोलते हैं, you are supposed to hear all these sounds and you just try to see very crystal clear what is the final achievement line, right? So this is visualization, means you are supposed to include all the senses, visuals, auditory, right? Hear the sounds. Kinesthetic means you start feeling it, touching it, experiencing it. Then if some aroma is there of that event, of the success, of achievement, so you smell that aroma also. And if any taste of success is there, you take the taste also, because this process is completely a very, very scientific process, right? And I have discovered this while I was in the 12th standard exam. And what happened in that exam? And let me tell you, because that was the time when I was right from the beginning totally preparing for my merit list. And right from the year, beginning of the year, I was just planning that I must be in the merit list. And for that, I was preparing. And that was the time where my eldest sister was supposed to get married in that year. And that was the first marriage of my family. तो पूरा ताम झाम सब कुछ होता है, तो 2 महीने तो total studies were totally stopped. Then in the month of December, I've just started, but because I've already conceived the idea since the month of December, every night I used to get that one dream only, because I have researched for that. Ki once the person is coming into the marriage list, what happened? And I came to know that कि if morning को जब result आता है, तो morning 6 o'clock media person will call you and they will ask you for the your roll number, और आपका roll number merit में यदि है तो फिर वो आपको बोलेंगे 7 o'clock we are coming to take your interview, and the next day your interview will be on the newspaper. And every night I used to dream this कि मेरे घर में phone आया, पापा ने उठाया, and then he has screamed, then he has hugged me so tightly, then everybody is coming, the whole day is the congratulations day and the party. Next day the interview was there and I was the talk of the town every single day. And that time I was not aware ki, is there any scientific research is there, some psychological theory is there, and that is some power to manifest to get the desired outcome. But it has happened in the month of May, exactly same the way I have conceived in my mind. And in between what happened, कि हमारा जो पेपर था दैट इज 2 मार्च को स्टार्ट होने वाला था, बस 27 Feb वाज द डे जहां मेरे अंकल, जो हमारा जॉइंट फैमिली था, उनकी सडन डेथ हो गई एंड एवरीबॉडी वाज सिटिंग देयर एंड आई वाज आल्सो देयर, एंड वन ऑफ माय कजिन हु वाज आल्सो इन 12th, वो भी उस फंक्शन उसमें उस इवेंट में वहां पर बैठी, और हम सब रो रहे थे बिकॉज इट वाज अ वेरी क्लोज निटेड फैमिली. Crying. After 10 to 15 minutes, I realized कि मेरा headache हो रहा है and I'm getting that pain or heaviness is there. And suddenly something happened inside. I just woke up from there. I got into my room. I just closed the room and अपनी book लिया और जोर-जोर से loudly, so that I can avoid the distractions, and started walking to be focused on my studies. I started roaming in the room and loudly I started studying. After 10 minutes, my cousin came to me कि सब वहाँ बुला रहे हैं, मम्मी भी वहाँ बुला रही हैं, you just go over there. And I told her, I'm not coming over there. Let me find. Because what happened, once you decide for certain thing, your whole attitude, your mannerism, your behavior, your decision making will always towards the goal only, because that is the time only one thing popped up. If every full year I have worked for that, और यदि मेरा सिर भारी हो गया, यदि मैं भूल गई 3 days के बाद एग्जाम है, यदि I could not do that, nobody will come to ask me, how could you not do that? But in this case also, यदि मैं कुछ कर पाई, everybody will come and ask me, how could you do that? That is the thought process or the attitude can develop only when your goal is very, very clear in front of you, right? So that is the time I've discovered that how I can get my results very clear. And that was the time I started coming every year in the merit list. And that's how my story, which is full of satisfaction and completion. And I'm so much happy about the way I have grown my life. So research is also telling us that mental practice is as effective as real practice because the same region of the brain is getting stimulated. So let us do one activity, right? All of us. Uh, um, yeah, wherever you are sitting, you sit just straight, sit just straight, wherever you are sitting, okay? Now see, because once we do the experiment, then only we can learn the things. Sit straight and just close your eyes and just visualize that you are raising your right hand. Just visualize raising your right hand to the shoulder level. Just visualize and just drop it down. Again, you are raising your right hand to the shoulder level and drop it down. Open your eyes. Now see, आपने अभी अभी हाथ नहीं उठाया, लेकिन if you are visualizing to remember that while you are doing in the mental practice, the same region of the brain is getting stimulated as you are doing it physically. Now let us do physically, okay? आप सब जहां भी बैठे हैं बिल्कुल straight बैठ जाए and just raise your hand like this and look at your thumb. Look at your thumb, okay? अब इस thumb को very comfortably you take it as much as possible, it is back as much as possible comfortably and come back, perfect, and drop it down. Now close your eyes and now visualize. In visualization, don't do in the practice, okay? In visualization, now again you're raising your right hand and now move it as far as possible into the back, and this time it is twice as much as possible. Take it back, and you just feel like a child. You're enjoying this fun game. Back as much as possible, and this time twice. This time twice you could take as much as possible, and again come back. Keep your eyes closed. Again raise your hand. With closed eyes, don't do it right now. Don't do it now. अभी नहीं करना, अभी सिर्फ visualize करना. Again, you're raising your right hand. Keep your eyes closed, just visualize. And this time again अपने हाथ को पीछे लेके जाओ. अब इतना पीछे लेके जाओ, बिल्कुल छोटे बच्चे के जैसे. And your flexibility is so high, and you're enjoying the event, enjoying the moment, and take it thrice as much as possible. And you're enjoying, you're feeling the stretch thrice as much as possible, and you're so happy, so excited that you can do that and come back, right? Drop it down. Now open your eyes, and now do it physically. This time again like a child. Raise your hand, look at the thumb with open eyes, and take it as much as possible, thrice or fourfold more, and now see how much it is possible for you. As much as possible and come back as much as possible, this time thrice, okay, and come back. Now tell me, is there any difference from the first side on the last one? Is there any difference? You can unmute and ask. You
Yes,
can,
Definitely.
right? Is there any difference? Right, Himani, what is the difference?
The difference was, ma'am, when you asked me to do it physically for the first time, I just did this and this. That's it. But after visualization, I could take it this much back.
Perfect. Right. Kruti, is there any difference, Kruti?
Yes, doctor. The moment you asked me to raise it first time, it was only till here. But
Okay.
when you asked me to raise it, to take it as behind as I can, that time it went more back. And then
Okay.
I was thinking, wow, I did it so behind, and earlier I couldn't.
Right. So now see, only mental practice is very, very effective as the practical practice. But now see some very important thing. If we are not able to stretch ourselves physically, it means we have not stretched ourselves mentally. That is the reason कि हम रोज बहुत कुछ डिसाइड करते हैं. We are supposed to wake up at 5 o'clock. हम exercise करेंगे. कल से हम बिल्कुल गुस्सा नहीं करेंगे. We are supposed to be very punctual, very disciplined. No arguments, no spanking, no raising hands on the children. हम स्टडी चार्ट बनाएंगे. कल से बिल्कुल जंक फूड नहीं खाएंगे. We all are thinking, we all are deciding, but until and unless we are not stretching ourselves mentally, it is never ever possible physically, right? So again, now let me share you. Now see. Okay, this is why we are not able to achieve whatever we are conceiving, right? Sometimes it is happening and sometimes it is not happening because there's only one thing which is stopping us, and this is to be understood very nicely. So this is called paradigm shift. So what is that paradigm? Now see, this is the girl, okay? This girl is fed. So can you tell me ki what sort of feeling this girl might be having? What is the thought process, the attitude, the belief about herself?
She wanted to be fit and fine.
Perfect. But right now, what is her feeling or attitude or belief about her?
She must be feeling quite low
Heavy.
because she's fat.
Huh? What else?
And while facing others, her confidence must be low.
Low confidence,
Feeling unactive.
inactive, low self-esteem, might be inferiority complex,
Yeah, sad.
sad,
Sad.
yes, right?
Emotionally down.
Emotionally down. All right.
And she probably feels she can't be what she wants to be.
Right. And she's not attractive. She might be feeling. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So
Right.
this is her current status. Okay. And now see, are you able to see?
Yes, doctor.
Right. Perfect.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
this is the present and this is the desired. This is called present and this right side is called desired state. Okay. She wants to be like that. This is called paradigm. ये अभी हमारा है, हम जैसे हैं और जो हम चाहते हैं. This is the paradigm shift. Now see, यदि ये लड़की जो प्रेजेंट से मुझे ऐसा बनना है, I want to be like that, it means she requires a lot of energy, lot of emotional strength. She has to push herself towards that. And that is a very difficult task. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Now see the next one. If the girl just shift the paradigm and thinking like, as I'm today very smart, slim, trim, dynamic, smart girl, and she's standing over here in the right side and then she's looking at the down. So it's a pull effect. Pull effect means today I'm feeling so good and then I'm looking back. So it's very, very easy for me to pull this girl up. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, mom.
Paradigm left is यहाँ से push करना है, and if you reach there mentally over there, then down girl, she is just supposed to pull. It's so easy for her, right? Now, how does it happen? If you start visualizing, because this is not practically, but the brain has one weakness, it cannot differentiate between what is the real and what is real. So हमें बस वहाँ फायदा उठाना है. So we can shift our mindset to the desired state first. Then what will happen? She will start thinking, people are appreciating me right now. I'm looking like a diva. I'm so enthusiastic, full of energy. I'm very much confident. I am wearing my favorite dress. I'm very, very happy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So when your emotional energy is so high, you're feeling so confident, so powerful, and it's so easy to pull, to motivate this girl towards yourself. Yes or no?
Yes.
Easy?
Yes.
Right? So that's all about visualization, because the major problem people can do sometimes they are not able to do. Reason they are all the time thinking from the present paradigm and looking for the very higher level, and that's why it's very tough. कभी वो मेहनत कर पाते, कभी थक जाते, कभी एनर्जी खत्म हो जाती, कभी they are feeling less motivated, right? But if we just shift the paradigm, so it's very easy that this thing can pull this younger one. Okay, so this is the whole process of visualization. Now see, अब हम जाते हैं कि what is the sign, because before going to the practical thing, what's it? Before going to the practical thing, we need to get some scientific basis of that. Now, suppose I'm just giving you one example so you can relate with your example, right? Suppose this is one example. The girl wants to be very slim, trim, and smart. What is the scientific process behind that, where we are supposed to check ourselves? Suppose if this is my goal, your goal must be finances, your goal must be new job, your goal must be getting into some exam, your goal must be some relationship or some health issue, whatever. But it should be in the form of image, because one image is more powerful than 1,000 words. So it should be in the form of image. Now we are supposed to check in this neurological level. This neurological level means your final achievement. Where do you want to achieve? You need to change in what environment. कहाँ चाहते हो ये फाइनल अचीवमेंट? उस समय आपके आसपास कौन होगा? आपने क्या पहने होंगे? उस समय वॉल्स का कलर क्या होगा? कर्टेन का कलर कहाँ होगा? आप किस स्टेट में होंगे? आप किस सिटी में होंगे? किस प्लेस पे होंगे? Your environment must be very clear in front of you. As you can see me and I'm able to see you, it must be that much clear. So the environment must be very clear. Where do you want to achieve? Number one. Number two, while you have achieved this target, that time what should be your behavior? Your body movement, your hand, your gesture, your eyes, your कितना glitter होना चाहिए, your shoulders, your back, आप खड़े कैसे होंगे, and what should be your behavior, your speech, your tone, your temper, your pitch, everything should be clear. आपने जो गोल डिसाइड किया है उसको मिल जाने के बाद what should be your behavior? That is the second check. Third is, यहाँ पहुंच जाने के बाद sort of capabilities you are experiencing within yourself, because you have already crossed so much, and इस समय आपकी capability क्या होगी? Right? Can you tell me what should be the capability of this girl? She must have worked hard, right? She could have spent her important time on doing some dieting or some exercises, right? What else the capabilities?
By capabilities, you mean
Time
what
management.
kind?
Right. What time management? What sort of capabilities the girl might have achieved during the whole process?
I think a lot.
Consistency, determination,
Self-control.
Determination. Yes. Anybody? Huh?
Self-control,
Yes,
self-management.
Discipline.
Yes, Himanshu. And what else? Perseverance.
Discipline.
Perseverance.
Yes. What else?
More consistency in the thought process, stability.
Absolutely. Himanshu, perfect. More consistency in the thought process. What else?
Clarity also.
Clarity of the goal. Yes. Now
Yeah.
see, because
We-
once you get into that final frame, immediately you can guess what sort of capabilities I am having or I need to inculcate. ये
Yeah.
तभी होगा when you can see yourself in the final frame. Present frame में कभी नहीं पता चलेगा. Final frame में enter करते you will come to know that, right? Then what should be the belief? What is the value of this girl?
I believe in myself.
Self-belief must be there, right? What about the confidence?
Yeah, it also might have got increased.
Yes. What about the other belief?
Commitment.
Commitment. Yes. Values.
Yeah,
What
it
else?
is.
और क्या value होगा इसका?
Her self-respect would have increased.
Yeah.
Yes. Self-respect and
Self-esteem must have increased.
yes, right. Okay. So now see, once you are seeing your final picture, it means your belief, you can define your belief and values about your life. Okay. Now you tell me the next grade, the girl can identify with whom?
Herself only.
The girl can identify with some kind of role model, some kind of celebrity, some kind of the bigger picture of herself, right or wrong?
Yeah. Yeah,
Right?
true.
So
true.
identity will also be changed.
Influencer.
Influencer, yes, absolutely. What else? What else? What could be the identity? Very confidential, very confident professional person, right? Right?
Yeah.
So, आप देखो, again, last one more checking is required. If you have already achieved this target, what is your mission? अब इसको achieve करके what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to help others also with all sort of values, beliefs, attitudes, your perseverance, your discipline, and your commitment. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? So
Yeah.
we are supposed, why the visualization works 100%? Reason, it's a total scientific process. So we are supposed to do it in the shift of paradigm, and from here we are check कि हमारे पास what should be the environment, and if you want this type of result, you cannot sit with the people who are very foodie, who are eating a lot of junk food. So environment में change आ गया. Your behavior will be changed, your decision will be changed, your judgment will be changed. You are into the party, the things are there served on the table, but you are so choosy. It's
We become
automatic.
disciplined.
Yeah.
It's automatic. That's why I told you my example. कि घर में ऐसा chaos था, but still your brain will start taking the decision only towards your goal. And it's very easy to delete all the things which is irrelevant. Okay, so that's how we can shape our neurological level. Okay, so environment, behavior, capabilities, your belief system, identity with whom you can identify, and that's your mission is there. Okay, once you can reach over there, means now you are ready to empower others also to reach their goals. Right now? Yeah.
Yeah.
Any
Yes.
question? Any question till now? So we can move ahead. Because that clarity, this theoretical clarity must be there.
Yeah.
Must be there. Okay?
Yeah.
Right? Chalo. Now I'm again telling you about the scientific research because it's an experiment. There was a basketball team where 3 groups were made. Okay? First group को practice दिया था कि 6 weeks. इस practice of 6 weeks, उसके बाद the national match was there. 6 weeks you are supposed to do the free throw practice daily, 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 daily. Second group, no practice at all, just sit and have fun. Third party, it's only about you need to sit and do the mental practice only. But mental practice means with every aspect, very tough, very crystal clear, very good basket must be there with all sorts of angles, but do the regular mental practice. And after 6 weeks, when all the 3 groups are together, the people who are not into the practice, they were absolutely zero. But for your amazement, the people who have done the mental practice, they could do absolutely perfectly. The reason is practice does not make perfect, but perfect practice makes perfect. And while you are sitting here and doing all the perfect type of visualization with every single corner, it means your brain is getting wired for that. And once it is wired and you are into the physical form, you are going to perform in the same way. And daily, 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 so much practice is going to condition your brain and your body to the perfect every time. Right? This was the scientific research. Okay. So now tell me why it is called power. Why it is called power? Anybody can tell me?
Big, you can say our metabolism totally start active to give like electricity to our brain or something like that. So just like when we start doing performance, so our internal energy spark that activity automatically.
Right, right. Anybody else? Why visualization is called power?
When we close our eyes and we think of something, at that time we make sure that we ourselves are present there. So once when the situation actually arises, we are in a capability mode of doing the things in the same way which we have imagined. So we have got that power of achieving our success on a greater note.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely, Kruti and Himanshu. Now see, why it is called power? Just by doing practice for 15 minutes daily, you will become so productive and very much close to the desired outcome that you are saving your 16 hours of hard work daily. That's why it is called power. And these 4% people are practicing it daily, and that's why they're living their dream every day. और बाकी के 96% people are helping to reach them to their goals, right? तो अब हमें बताओ कि इस पावर को कैसे यूज करना है, because everywhere everybody is after success, but if we know what is the correct meaning. Yes, Himanshu, you want to say something?
Yeah, actually I have question here.
Yeah.
Actually, like right now I'm 32 years old. I'm a businessman and a therapist too. So I'm running my business. What happening when I start my business, I can see the visualization very clearly. I know my enthusiasm, I'm spirit, I can calculate the things much more faster. But what happening that daily lot of stress come, many mishappening things happening. So my visions start getting zero. I cannot visualize, I lost my visions. So everything start getting illogical, unsensible, illogical. Mind start getting just like thoughtless. Don't know what direction I'm going, what happening it is. But after that, like I don't know what I did, but I start spending time for myself, go for fresh walk, morning walk, something like that, or having good shower. So all the thought process start getting recovered or start talking with somebody, it happening. So my question is that how I can be consistent with my visualization or the visions to make it more logical or more processed. Like one example, I had learned that tool, how to get it, keep consistent with that. So I learned the tool, but other things I need to know why these things happen or how to do it.
Only one statement is your answer. One image is more powerful than the 1,000 words. If your final result in the form of image, if you kept it in the front wall of your office or wherever you are sitting, or just in front of your bed, whatever the disturbances are there, it is everywhere outside, but your goal is every time in front of your eyes. जब लक्ष्य सामने है ना, तो लक्षण अपने आप आते जाएंगे, लेकिन लक्ष्य सामने नहीं है in the form of images, क्योंकि thoughts में the lot of variety, because you are dealing with the people, you are dealing with the clients, okay, and lot of people are there with different aura, different energy. So that is very distracting and very disturbing. But the vision is there in the form of image. That is the power कि आप हमेशा देखोगे and immediately you get into that. अभी हम जब process में जाएंगे तो you learn that how to anchor that feeling, anchor that emotion कि जैसे ही आपने उसको touch किया and you'll get into that feeling, right? Okay. So
Ma'am,
yeah,
one
हाँ Himani,
Yes.
yeah.
Ma'am, you're stressing so much about images, and of course, that's the key to visualization. But say, suppose now this weight problem, I myself have a weight issue. So, do we have to picture solely ourselves as the end result, or suppose if I want to lose weight, I keep somebody else's photo and see that? How does it work?
Both ways. Option number one, कि you get the picture which where you find that this is my final result. This I'm supposed to be there, right? And second is you can do the photoshopping और उसमें अपना face लगा लो and उसको enlarge करके लगा दो. So when you are seeing yourself, this is me. This is me.
Amazing.
Now see, actually it's very scientific क्योंकि brain क्या होता है? Neural pathway पे काम करता है. If it is seeing and hearing the sounds and experiencing it daily and new neural path is there, then everything happens automatically. आप उसके बाद exercise किए बिना रह नहीं सकते हो. It is not possible. आप junk food खा नहीं पाओगे. आज मेरे मुंह में junk food जा नहीं पाता. ठीक है? So this is only the mind game. That neural path must be, your brain should believe that. Believe कैसे करते हैं? आप जिस चीज को बार बार देखते हो, your brain will start believing. यार ये तो बंदा ऐसा ही है, इससे तो दूर ही रहना चाहिए, right? आप एक बार दो बार try कर सकते हैं, but every time if you are seeing in the same way, you start believing it, right? So हमारे brain को वो दिखाना जरूरी है ताकि उसका वो belief बन जाए. हम जब अभी
Excuse me, ma'am.
process में जाएं, once we'll go into the process, we are going to see that. We are going to experience that. Okay? So should we move ahead?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Do we need to stick the picture or we can write in words also?
We need to stick. हमेशा याद रखो, लक्ष्य सामने है तो लक्षण आएगा. It means it must be in the mirror. आप जिस मिरर में दिन में 10 बार जाते हो, picture must be there. आप डेली बाथरूम में एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट्स आप इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो इट मस्ट बी देयर. आप अपने ऑफिस में एटलीस्ट 8 आवर्स बैठते हैं, इट मस्ट बी हियर, राइट?
Picture, not in words.
दैट इमेज.
Okay.
आप हर बार जितने बार मोबाइल ऑन करते हैं, दैट इमेज मस्ट बी देयर.
Sure. Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, so can we use the my dream is like I want to become my mentors, like my mentors who trained my mind to be a successful. So I don't want to be like them, but I want to keep that characteristic in my mind, that the intelligence they trained me, the knowledge and the skills they trained me, I want to keep that. So when I use this picture, so I should say something like that, why I am keeping that picture, for what reason.
अभी जब हम अभी प्रोसेस में जाते हैं, let us go to the process, then you will get everything, because we will go very scientific way. So once you will visualize, it must happen to you. Okay, right? The
Yeah,
first,
I'm really excited now.
because we are
Madam,
practical things. Okay.
One question
Yes,
from
Seema.
my side.
Huh.
Yeah, actually, even when we visualize, we have our goal, but sometimes, as you earlier told also, there are other people also in our environment, in our people, who just change our thinking, or their aura clash with our aura, or there is some kind of means unrest of emotions between those people. Then how can this visualization process we can do? Because
one second. This visualization process is very internal process, right?
yeah.
And while you are interacting, that is with the other people, it is very external thing.
Mhm.
Okay? Suppose if you're sitting on your chair and someone else is also looking for the chair, okay, that doesn't mean कि वो आपकी chair पे आके बैठ जाएगा. No, if you are completely stable on your chair, they will look here and there and they will manage themselves. So every time they are outside, but लेकिन आप अपनी जगह से उठ गए ना, and you cannot complain. आपने अपनी चीज छोड़ दी, and then you cannot complain to the other people कि just because of that I'm not able to sustain on my target. No, it is your target. It is your responsibility to be on that. It is none of the other person's responsibility, right?
Okay.
So it's yours now. That's why.
Okay.
So anyway, we should take the responsibility. So
Fine.
success, we all are working for success, and success means, remember, 20% is mechanics. And what is that mechanics? Mechanics means whatever we have learned in the college. हम सब ने books पढ़ी हुई है, हम सबके पास डिग्री है. अब ये डिग्री से क्या मिलता है? हमें जॉब मिलता है, डिसेंट लाइफस्टाइल मिल जाती है. ओके, सो ये जो 20% मैकेनिक्स is giving you the horizontal progress. आज इस कंपनी में, कल उस कंपनी में, आज इस स्टेट में, कल उस स्टेट में, you are moving like this. This is because of 20% mechanics. But 80% is psychology. What is that psychology which gives you the vertical progress that decides your altitude? And that psychology means, how do you think about yourself? How do you talk to yourself? What is your emotional energy? What is the belief you are carrying? What is the attitude you are carrying 24/7? And with whom you identify yourself. एक एम्प्लॉयर के समान समझते हो या एम्प्लॉय के समान समझते हो अपने आप को? एक लीडर समान समझते हो या फॉलोअर समान समझते हो? आप जिससे भी अपने को आइडेंटिफाई करोगे, योर डिसीजंस विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू इट ओनली, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू आर क्रिएटिंग योर डेस्टिनी. इसलिए तो कहा जाता है कि योर ब्रेन हैज इन्फिनाइट पावर, ईदर मेक इट और ब्रेक इट. And that's how 80% psychology decides what is your vertical progress. So visualization has the power to analyze and give the direction, creativity, confidence and motivation towards your goal. क्यों ऐसा होता है? Because it creates the internal GPS, जिसको scientifically it is called RAS, reticular activating system. So let me show you how it works. Okay. This is called RAS, reticular activating system. So let me show you how it is working. Now see. Now see this one. Okay. This is your brain. Okay, one second. This is your brain, and in your brain, 1 second, 11 million bits of information are bombarding every second. Every second, how many information? 11 million bits of information are coming to your brain. कहाँ से आती है? From your 5 senses. And what are these senses? Your eyes, your ears, your touch, and your nose, and your taste buds, right? And now see, 5 senses say right now also, you're not listening to me only, you're listening other sounds also. You're not touching only your mobile or your laptop, but your body is touching to other surfaces, to your clothes and many things also. Wherever you are sitting, some aroma might be there, right? So your brain is getting the bombardment of 11 million bits of information per second. But what happens is, because our brain is just like the computer, supercomputer. What happens if at a time 11 million bits of information is there? What will happen to the computer if so many softwares are there? Immediately
Hang.
वो
So many lots of
काम हो जाएगा. In the same way, यदि हमारे ब्रेन में इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन एक साथ आएगी तो हमारा ब्रेन कोलैप्स हो जाएगा. इसलिए ब्रेन के अंदर इनबिल्ट मैकेनिज्म है. It can process at a time only 60 bits of information. Now see, 11 million bits of information is there, but it can process only 60 bits of information. तो बाकी information का क्या होता है? It is the inbuilt system. 3 processes are there. That is delete, distort और generalize करता है. मतलब बाकी सारी information को या तो खत्म कर देता है, देखता ही नहीं है, delete होता है, या distort करता है या generalize करता है. Now see वो करता कैसा है. Okay. And now I'm showing you a room you are supposed to see that room, everything which is full of red color, everything. You are supposed to register everything which is of red color. Red, red, red. See everything which is of red color. Everything. Register yourself in everything which is red color. Right now you have already seen that red color, so there is no mean of asking of the red color. Now you tell me how many things you have seen which is blue. How many things you have seen blue?
I didn't even notice there was blue.
Now see, that is how our brain is working. Okay, if you have given the goal to the brain ki I want to see only red, it means it is going to perceive only red. It is going to delete every other thing. All the green, yellow, everything is deleted, right? This is how the brain is working. So उसने क्या कर दिया आपके brain ने? That is called delete. Okay, so that's how our brain is working. Now the second is, now see, this is that was delete. This is distortion. You must be aware about anorexia nervosa. This is the image disorder where the girl is very fit and smart and slim, but whenever she see herself in the mirror, वो अपने को बहुत मोटा महसूस करती है, and इसकी वजह से वो अपने खाने में कट करती है, डाइटिंग पे रहती है, सीवियर डाइटिंग पे, and this is the troubling and leads to the anorexia nervosa. बिल्कुल हड्डी हड्डी हो जाएगी, लेकिन उसके बाद भी जब वो अपने आप को देखेगी in a distorted image, मैं अभी भी बहुत मोटी हूँ. That's how the zero figure concept बीच में आया था, जिसको फिर बाद में हटा दिया गया, right? This is distortion. ये हमारा brain का game है, okay? And third is the generalization. Generalization में what is happening? मेरे husband ने आज मुझे wish नहीं किया, he is not taking care of me. He is not picking up the phone, means I am no good. कोई मुझे समझता ही नहीं है, मेरा जीना रहना ही बेकार है. मेरे साथ तो हमेशा ही ऐसा होता है. अच्छा वो हॉस्पिटल में गए ना, जरूर उनको कोरोना हो गया होगा. What is this? This is generalization, right? Are you able to differentiate the things?
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, right now. So that's how our brain is working. अब हम चलते हैं कि what is called visualization and how we are supposed to do it. Now I'm again showing you.
डॉक्टर
हाँ, या कृति.
डॉक्टर आपने जो विजुअलाइजेशन के लिए कहा था, तो मैंने खुद को विजुअलाइज किया. आफ्टर 5 years आई विल बी अ ट्रेनर एंड अ रिक्रूटर. बट अभी व्हेन आई एम इनटू मार्केट आई एम सीइंग कि कोविड की वजह से थिंग्स आर सो स्टैगर्ड कि कोई आगे कुछ करना ही नहीं चाहता, कोई आगे चांस ही नहीं दे रहा. तो अब वो जो नेगेटिविटी है, वो नेगेटिविटी से मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं एम्प्लॉयर बनना चाहती थी, तो मैं एम्प्लॉयर बनूं कि वापस एम्प्लॉय बन जाऊं कहीं जाके.
अब देखो, हाँ Kruti, now see, now we are into the practical thing. Okay, we have already seen how the brain is working. Okay, so now the steps how to do that scientifically. First step means until and unless you are into the resourceful state, means very happy, confident and full of energy. First thing, you are supposed to be in a very resourceful state. Second, you must be very clear what do you want very specifically. The thing must be having some picture, some sound, some aroma, some feeling and some taste, right? That specificity must be there. Third, which is very important, यदि 2 step कर लिया, third is the RAS, reticular activating system, brain में active हो जाएगा and only 60 bits of information वो होगी which is relevant to your goal only, बाकी सब delete हो जाएगा. Okay, now the fourth is, अब आता है visualize paradigm shift करके, कैसे? As if I have already achieved. So what should be my value? What should be belief, thinking process, feeling, action, behavior, gesture? कैसा होना चाहिए? It should be started right now. And then fifth is frequent revision to condition your brain and body so much कि वो 100% certainty हो जाए. अब you are not dependent on the market because now you are able to create your market. अब how it works? Step number 1. ठीक है, पहला है मुझे अपने state मैंने समझते हैं. Are you able to understand? State means your emotions, your energy, your power. That is the state management. If this is on a low level, your goal must be of low, your performance low, your result will be low. So resourceful state. Now see, you just see and tell me. This is the person. How must be feeling?
Stressed
Depressed.
out, sad.
Confused.
Very distressed.
This girl,
Very distressed.
Very disturbed.
Yeah.
right?
Very sad.
Distressed. Yeah, stressful.
Now,
Stressful.
just by looking at them, they're not saying you anything about their problem, but still you are guessing that they are distressed or disturbed, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? Are they able to make their plans or their goals very high standard?
No.
No.
Right?
Temporary,
Huh?
They scare from taking any action. Like they don't want to take attempt. They scare.
Perfect. Number one,
hearts are blocked.
if they are fearful, not very confident about themselves,
Yeah.
insecure about their future, so at this state, is it any possibility to make good goals, taking good actions and getting the results? No. Right. So now again you tell me, what is the state? Kaisa hai?
Yeah. Happy.
Elated,
Happy.
happy.
Very.
How's it?
Ready to take risk.
How's it?
Ready to
Happy,
take
happy.
accept challenge.
Perfect. Now see, this is called state management. If you are feeling sad, low, depressed, burdened, pressurized, and having a lot of issues in your life, and you are just overburdened by that, this is not the right time to visualize. First, you need to take care of your emotional state. You need to think about your emotional energy, your strength, your focus, your power, your achievements, your success story. Then you can shift yourself. This is first step. अब इसको भी कैसे पाएं? क्योंकि most of the time people are very lousy. People are thinking very negative about themselves. Okay, so I'm now see. If we want very good results, it means we are supposed to take very good actions. Yes. At what state we can take the action? When our mental state is very high, we are feeling very good about ourselves, then only we can take the good state action. Okay? Now suppose if I'm not feeling good for the last 1 week, something is happening in my marital issue, something is happening to the finances, something is happening to my business, I'm not feeling good. So how can I take the action? So should I postpone the visualization process? No. 2 ways we can feel very good about ourselves. Number 1 is your focus. As soon as you shift your focus to your past success, achievements, and your productivity, immediately your chemical will get changed in the brain and you will start feeling good about yourself, irrespective of what is happening in the present. And second, whatever is happening, but if you change just your physiology, just like a Wonder Woman, Power Woman, or the very powerful man, Superman, if you change your physiology instantly, within seconds, 20% testosterone will be developed in your brain, 22% cortisol will be down, and your probability to take full action will be increased by 33% instantly, right? Ab chalo, let us see the experiment. Kaise kare? Suppose this time I'm not feeling good or you're not feeling good. I'm just giving you one exercise. Wherever you are sitting, sit very comfortably. Sit very comfortably, close your eyes, and we are taking focus. First, we are focusing on first thing. You just get into that event. या एक्सपीरियंस जहां पर यू फेल्ट, आपने कुछ ऐसा किया लाइफ में अपने पास्ट में, where you felt so good, so confident about yourself. Something you did and you felt so good, so complete about yourself, and you are so happy. And if I'm asking you at that moment, happiness 1 to 5, 5 means extreme happiness, 1 means very less, you are at the 5 out of 5 level of happiness. Confidence 5 out of 5, and your self belief is 5 out of 5. अपने पास्ट में जाओ और एक ऐसे इवेंट में पहुंच जाओ जहाँ पर you did something and you felt very good, और यहाँ तक कि आपके आसपास जो 2-4 लोग थे उन्होंने भी जब आपको देखा, they are also appreciating, they are telling you something, you try to hear that. क्या कहते हैं वो आपसे? At that moment, how are you feeling? You get into that feeling. How are you experiencing? How is your breathing at this time? How's your chest? How's your shoulder? How's your back? How's your body language? And how's the glow in your eyes, the glitter in your eyes? अब इस फीलिंग को 1 to 10 के काउंट में मैग्नीफाई करना, 1 to 10 काउंट करूंगी तो इस फीलिंग को मैग्नीफाई करना, 1, 2, magnify the feeling of confidence, power, achievement, and success. 3, 100 times more confidence, more powerful. 4, amplify the feeling of confidence. 5, 6, amplify the feeling of confidence, power, and achievement. 6, 7, amplify to the maximum level. 7, 8, amplify, take a deep long breath and feel that power, energy, success, and achievement inside every cell of the body. 8, 9, amplify the feeling, and 10. Just open your eyes. Just open your eyes and observe your body language, your state, your emotional state. Did you find any difference?
Yeah, very nice actually.
Huh?
Very nice.
Himani,
Yeah.
come back. Dr. Himani,
Yeah.
come back.
Yeah.
Body become
Right. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Could you find the difference? Now see. कोई situation change नहीं, जगह नहीं बदला, कुछ नहीं बदला, relation नहीं बदले, but you can change yourself just by
thought process.
shifting the focus. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
second, how to do it? Physiology. Physiology means wherever you are sitting. Sit very straight, shoulders very square, और अपने दोनों हाथ आप अपने बिल्कुल कमर पे रखो. Close your eyes, back straight, take a deep long breath, and feel yourself like a Superman and Superwoman. Take a deep long breath and imbibe all the characters of Superwoman or Superman and feel it. And with the count of 10, you will amplify the feeling of power, success, achievement, confidence inside every cell of your body. 1, 2, take a deep long breath and feel it inside your body, inside your brain, inside your mind. 3, 4, 5, amplify it to the maximum, 100 times more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Open your eyes and see your body language. See your
Yeah.
spine. Get the feeling. Did you find the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. These are the only 2 ways how to change your emotions. You are not supposed to change your relation, not supposed to change your profession, no business, no market. If you are completely in a resourceful state, it means your every action is going to be the same level, and that's how you can produce the consequences, right? So this is state management. Got it? So emotion is your fuel. आपके इंजन का फ्यूल है. यदि आप उसमें इमोशंस नहीं है तो आपके लिए अच्छे स्टेप्स लेना इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सेकेंड वे आई एम टेलिंग यू, दिस इज कॉल्ड incantation. We all have heard about the affirmation, right? Affirmation means I'm smart, I'm dynamic, I'm beautiful, I can do anything. This is affirmation. Incantation means there must be emotion, because emotion is the fuel, that is the energy. वो जैसे ही जाता है, you are ready to take the action. Emotion must be there and body language must be there, right? So I'm just giving you a few examples. What sort of incantation you are supposed to say every day before leaving to office? Suppose this is the way. आप mirror के सामने खड़े होंगे, you will have the eye contact with yourself and you are supposed to talk to yourself in a very powerful manner, जैसे आप खुद को ही blessing दे रहे हो, right? I'm unbeatable, unstoppable, unshakable. My energy, confidence, and power is increasing every day. I'm becoming focused, precise, and disciplined. The whole universal energy is working to make my dreams come true. I'm the power, I'm the energy, I'm the force. I am the creator of my destiny, and I am crafting it to the best. This is the way you are supposed to talk to yourself, because every word of yours is the blessing to you. You are not supposed to take the blessings of others. You bless yourself with such a beautiful, powerful words, energy, and the body language. Is it possible to do that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so this is called incantation. ये हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? To get the level 1 state management. Got it? Now the second, what do you want should be very, very clear. And you can imagine according to your goals. Okay, I'm just giving you the sample how to do that. It should be very scientific. Number 1, goal must be very smart, very specific. S for specific. What is the specific you want? Say suppose Himani has taken it कि मेरा वेट इश्यूज है, तो हम वेट इश्यूज लेते हैं, ठीक है. बाकी आप यू कैन टेक द फाइनेंस, यू कैन टेक द रिलेशनशिप, यू कैन टेक अदर एनी डिसऑर्डर और डिजीज इज देयर, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू टेक. Number 1, you ask who is designed this goal. This is I. Always remember, you cannot decide anything for your child, for your husband, for your business colleague, for your opponents. No. Visualization is only for you, and only you. Who is deciding? I. Number 2, what? That what must be very clear. Suppose 60 kg weight. Okay, very specific in numbers. Okay, when do you want that? Suppose we have taken 31st December. क्या चाहिए? 60 kg weight चाहिए. Okay, कहाँ चाहिए? This should happen where? In Goa or Vapi or Surat or Mumbai. Where do you want it? Because jitna specific things will give you the power and move to that specific direction. Where do you want that? In Goa. What skills or what sort of work you are supposed to get that 60 kg weight? It's simple. 5 days, 1 hour workout, and last way should be 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Very clear. Okay? That why do you want this goal? It is very, very important. क्योंकि why जो है वो आपको कभी भी हारने नहीं देगा. It is not going to stop you anywhere. Why do you want that? Why do you want to be a doctor? Why do you want to get that business? Why do you want to get that much? There must be some reason. You are supposed to give the reason, because in January, first week May, there is an international conference and I want to feel 100% fit, vibrant and confident during my presentation. So that why must be so clear. So that is the first point. You need to be very specific about your goal. Number 2, it should be measurable, whether it is the success, whether it is the finance, whether it is the relationship. We are taking the example of Himani, right? So suppose 65 kg right now, yeah, 75, whatever it is, अब हमें चाहिए 60 kg. So what is the measurable? कैसे measure? एकदम से नहीं होगा. Suppose today I'm 65. So suppose as today I'm 64, 31st October. I need to announce it publicly. Okay, I'm this much and now this is my plan, because then I'll be very much certain to do the task. 15 days के बाद 63 kg on 15 November, 62 kg on 30th November, 61 kg on 15 December, 60 kg on 31st December, and after every achievement, I'll shop one of my favorite clothes. Right? So your brain is acknowledging each and every step, and jitna certain, jitna clear, it means your steps will be so precise, okay? This is second, measurable, okay? You can make it in the finance also, in your business also, your turnover also, okay? Now the third point is, it should be attainable. Attainable means your burning desire, then you can develop the attitude towards that. Suppose मेरा attitude है बहुत खा करने का है, and I want a very slim figure, I want this much finance, but मुझे 10 बजे तो मैं सो के उठती हूँ, मैं काम पे जाती हूँ 12 बजे. If I don't have the attitude, it is not going to possible. So it should be attainable means the burning desire must be there, the attitude, the belief, and the skill or the finance. Suppose I'm thinking about too high, itna million chahiye, but this time I'm just into the zero level. So what is the financial support I'm carrying? So that should be attainable. Attitude, your belief, and your skills must be there. Suppose weight issues are there, right, Himani? Weight issues there.
Yes.
But I don't know what to do the exercises. मुझे पता ही नहीं है. It means I don't have the skill. So I need to work on the skill. कि मुझे वो सीखना है, मुझे वो learn करना है. Suppose मैं सुबह उठ ही नहीं पाती. So I need to learn how to wake up early in the morning to get some time to do exercise. So that desire, that attitude, belief, and skill must be there. And R for realistic. Realistic means, am I able to work for that? Am I ready to pay the price or not? सिर्फ सपने नहीं देखना है. यदि मैंने गोल बनाया, I'm ready to pay the price because I'm desperate to achieve it. I'm obsessed to achieve it. That's how it is going to be yours only. Okay? And appropriate conditions. Suppose family is not supportive, a lot of clashes are there because of your goal. So we need to take care of all these conditions, right? And tangible means, suppose when you have already achieved that final paradigm pe jao, you must experience it, you can see it, you can feel it, you can touch that final state, and you can take the aroma, you can have the taste of the success and final thing. Now, these 5 things are there, means now you are very much prepared, your brain is ready to take the action, and then only the next step is there. Your brain is ready to find out all the opportunities which is into the market and bring it to you. Now it's automatic. This is RAS, reticular activating system. ये how does it work? Suppose you have just planned कि मैं इस साल दिसंबर में I'll buy any one car or Mercedes or whatever you have decided, I'll buy this model. जैसे ही आपने डिसाइड किया, इमीडिएटली आप देखो नेक्स्ट डे से आपको रोड में बहुत सारी जो आपने डिसाइड किया वो कार दिखने लगी, यहाँ तक कि आपकी पार्किंग में भी दिखने लगी है. आप जिस ऑफिस में काम करते हैं आपको वहां भी दिखाई दे रही है. What does it mean? आपके डिसीजन के पहले भी एक कार मार्केट में थी, पार्किंग में थी, आपके ऑफिस के लॉट में थी, लेकिन उस समय यू वर नॉट एबल टू सी दैट. रीजन इज यू हैव नॉट डिसाइडेड दैट. जिस चीज को आप डिसाइड कर लेते हो, इमीडिएटली आपका ब्रेन वो 60 बिट्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन में वही इंफॉर्मेशन लेके आएगा विच इज टोटली रेलेवेंट टू योर गोल. इट मींस यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटीज, you will start getting the people around you who are really having the goal according to you, and the support system will get created according to your goal. That's how your brain, very infinite powerful brain, is working. That is RAS, reticular activating system. Okay, and it happens automatically. यहाँ मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ता, मेहनत आपने 2 स्टेप पे किया था. Okay, got the point?
Yeah.
Right? And now the final visualization process, how does it work? I'm telling you about my example. जब हम लोग गोवा में we went to the NLP Neuro Linguistics Program international training में गए. 14 people all over from the world, they were there, and हमारे trainers, they were from the UK. It was the toughest time for us, theoretically, practically, और हम उस समय टाइम होता था हमारे पास सोने के लिए से 2 से 3 घंटे रात को, बाकी all the time on the projects, assignments, training programs, we are completely occupied for that only. The first day जो हमारा ट्रेनिंग का प्रोग्राम था, उस दिन क्या किया उन्होंने, हमें जो हमें फाइनल डे, the you are the NLP international trainer फाइनल डे जो हमें सर्टिफिकेट मिलने वाला था, उसका उन्होंने एक फ्रेम बना लिया, और उस फ्रेम को हमें फर्स्ट डे बिल्कुल अपने सामने रखाया, as you have earned that frame, और उन्होंने लाइट्स को ऑफ किया, म्यूजिक एकदम टॉप पे चला दिया, बिल्कुल हाई बीट म्यूजिक, एंड देन दे हैव गिवन अस द इंस्ट्रक्शन कि नाउ यू स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग कि दिस इज द फाइनल डे of your training program. You have got this certificate and this is under the frame, and how are you feeling right now? You feel it now, you see it, how the people are screaming for you, how they are applauding you. तुम्हारी बॉडी में सेंसेशन क्या हो रहा है, ब्रीदिंग क्या हो रही है, योर बॉडी का मूव कैसा हो रहा है, एंड देयर इज 14 people were there in the hall, total dark, music was fully loud, and we were totally free to get into that scene, and we were that into the scene for the next 30 minutes. और जब 30 minutes के बाद लाइट्स ऑन हुई, तब तक हमारे एक एक सेल में वो फीलिंग, वो इमेजिनेशन, वो एहसास पूरा एक सेल के अंदर चला गया था, राइट? एंड देन दे टोल्ड अस कि आप इस सर्टिफिकेट के लिए, इस फ्रेम के लिए, यू आर सपोज टू गिव योर 100% डे एंड नाइट, एंड देन इट्स वेरी इजी. इतना टफ वर्क हम लोग कर पाए, right? That is called visualization. It works on as if model, as if you have already earned that. You feel it, you see it, you breathe it, you hear the sounds of people are talking about you, how is your body language, and how you are experiencing. Once you are into that paradigm, then only you start taking the steps. It means that is the time you are going to take every step highly motivated, 100% confidence, and with the attitude, right? Okay, so it works on the as if model you have already achieved. It should be very, very vivid. Okay, so what sort of elements must be there? You are supposed to see it crystal clear. उस दिन क्या पहना है, पैरों पे क्या है, आसपास कलर क्या है, वॉल्स का कलर क्या है, जगह कौन सी है, घड़ी में टाइम क्या हुआ है, जिस दिन यू वांट दिस अचीवमेंट. How many people are there around you? What are they wearing? What are they talking about you? You listen what your parents are telling, what your spouse is telling, what your children is telling about you once you have achieved all these things. Because that is going to make you charge for that. And you take a deep long breath and have that breathing aroma. What is your hand position? How is your chest? How is your shoulder, your eyes, your voice, your speech, your walk, everything, how much legs are firm, how much confident at that time, and then taste the success and magnify this intensity to the ultimate level with the count of 10. And once it is done and you reach to the count of 10, you do the loud sound and do the gesture and anchor it into the brain. If you allow me, if you are willing to do that, so we can do it now. Would you like to do that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Would you like to experience that? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, so let's do one thing. Everybody is ready for that? Because I think you might be sitting in a very comfortable position.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
So one thing first, you are having your paper and pen.
Yeah, I have.
You have that? Okay, first. Right. So do one thing, you write down your goal. Write down your goal. Your nearest goal. Write down the date whenever you want. It should be tangible, it should be realistic. Right? You write down when you have achieved this, how many people will be there, your near and dear. And what should be the place? कौन सी जगह होना चाहिए? टाइम कौन सा होना चाहिए वो भी लिख दो. It should be Sunday, Monday or what? On that day, which one will be your favorite dress जो आपने उस दिन पहनी होगी? What color? Right?
Yeah.
You done that? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Now you take your position. Sit back comfortably. And first, again, we will go to that state where in the past you have already achieved something. You were successful, you were productive. First, we'll go there because we need to be very resourceful while we are doing the visualization. We are doing the same thing what you are supposed to do it daily in the night and in the morning. Okay? So sit very comfortably, sit back, keep your eyes closed, and go back into the past. Go back into the past and reach to that event. उस event में पहुंच जाओ जहां पर actually you did something excellent, and that is the time you are feeling so much confident about yourself. Get into that event. चाहे वो 2 साल पहले हो, 10 साल पहले हो, you were so young, you were in the school or college or wherever you are. बहुत सारे event है, but you reach to that event only when you could perform excellent and you were so happy about yourself. See the surrounding. कौन-कौन है वहां पर? क्या कर रहे हैं वो? क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको ऐसा देख के? And then you are feeling so good about yourself. Get into that event. Take a deep, long breath and feel so powerful about yourself. So calm and composed. Hear the sounds, what people are talking about you, about your success, about your achievement. And with the count of 10, magnify the whole feeling. Magnify. 1, 2. Magnify the feeling of confidence, power, energy, and enthusiasm. You're feeling so good, so excited, so powerful. 3. Amplify the feeling to the 100 times more. 4. Feel the power, feel the energy, feel the confidence inside your body. It is just moving here and there inside your body. Get that power, energy, and experience it to the maximum. 5, 6, you're feeling so good about you. 7, 8, feel so good about yourself. 9, and now sit into the very powerful position. You're feeling so good about yourself. Take the position of very powerful man and woman. and 10, and say to yourself inside, in your mind, I am unbeatable, unstoppable, unshakable. My energy, confidence, power is increasing every day. I am becoming focused, precise, and disciplined. The whole universal energy is working to make my dreams come true. I am the power. I am the energy. I am the force. I am the creator of my destiny, and I'm crafting it to the best. And now start visualizing. What do you want to be? Where do you want? With whom you want? When do you want? See it. Feel it. देखो उस समय क्या पहना है, सराउंडिंग कैसी है, कौन कौन है. See everything crystal clear and hear the sounds of that power, that energy that you have already achieved. Get into that feeling 100%. And with the count of 10, you will get into that powerful state at the optimum level. See the breathing, voice, body move, expression, everything. And get into that feeling. With the count of 10, take a deep, long breath and get into that feeling. See it crystal clear. Feel it. Breathe it. Hear the sounds and amplify the feeling. With 1 to 10 counting, amplify the feeling of 100% confidence. You are achieving already. 1, 2, take a deep, long breath and get into that feeling. See it crystal clear. Visualize yourself, every move of your body, your eye blinking, your breathing, everything. 3, amplify, maximize to the limit, to the ultimate. 6, 100 times more and more power, more and more energy to that achievement, to that aiming. 7, 8, retake it to the ultimate, magnify, take a deep long breath and feel it into the every cell of the body, every part of the body that is inserting in your brain, in your mind, in your breath, and you are feeling so good about it. You are feeling so good, so powerful inside. 8, 9, you're feeling so good about it. You're feeling so good. You are totally into that. You take the aroma, deep long breath. Take the taste of that success, energy. See the happy faces around you. How you are moving, how you are feeling, how you are so much excited. Get into the feeling again. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Amplify the feeling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You just take a deep long breath, and just imbibe that image, that feeling inside your brain, inside your mind, inside your body. One more time, take a deep long breath. And feel it inside every cell of the body, every part of the body. It's you. Now it's you. Total paradigm shift. And now you can feel it, you can breathe it, and start. Now open your eyes. Open your eyes. So whatever, because when we are doing in our center, we do anchor all these feelings, images, sounds to any part of the body. We anchor it, and whenever the next time you just press it, instant you get that feeling and image instantly, and you will be into that state. Then only you start thinking about your business, about your goals, about your profession. Your resourceful state, your images should always be in front of you, and that only you visualize daily. And once you visualize, it means it must happen every morning and before going to bed. 10 minutes at least, and hold that vision, feel it, breathe it, do the gesture, do the sound as you have already achieved, and then anchor to any part of the body, and then activate it daily. And that only we can tell you. Once you conceive the final results in advance inside your brain will start believing it, and that manifestation is automatic, right? So that is all about visualization, and it works on every goal, either your job or finance or business or promotion or health or relationship or social goals or civil services or NEET or engineering, whatever. Anybody can do, because I have experienced this first time in the 12th standard and started using it. Today also, for my health issue, for my relationship issue, for everything, I'm using it. I'm getting the results also. So now this is the open platform. If you wish to ask me anything about your query, now it's an open frame. Yeah. Is there any query? Whatever you want to ask, you can ask me. Yes. Yes, Himanshu.
Just like when we are deciding our goals, when we plan it very carefully, after that, when it's come for real visualization, I cannot able to visualize it, I cannot able to feel it, so I cannot draw that picture how it would be. So what to do in that case is, like, when we cannot able to visualize it.
Perfect. Things are so simple. Whatever the things, suppose I want to achieve something and I'm not able to draw it properly, and because the clear image is not there, I'm not able to feel it. So the best part is go into the Google and find out. Once you'll start finding out what is the exact picture I want, your RAS will start working, and you will stop only on that picture what exactly you want, and you just take that picture, उसको मैग्नीफाई कर दो, बड़ा करो, एनलार्ज करो, सामने लगा दो, and then you will, once you start looking at it 5 minutes continuously, you'll start getting the feeling and emotion, right? Okay, right. Any other question?
You mean to say that for visualization, we should have concrete images or pictures in front of us?
Yes, because clarity means power. The more and more clear you are, every step will be so precise, so concise towards your goal only. That's it. Right? So,
Does it also happen that we just visualize and we don't do that much efforts? Then also things will happen like.
No, that's why I told you smart. It should be attainable. Suppose if you don't have the attitude, right? So first, that is also possible when you shift yourself in the paradigm. जो आपका फाइनल रिजल्ट है, यदि आप वहां खड़े होके देखोगे, then you are able to develop that attitude and skill also, and that it's a pull effect. You will be self motivated to go to that place. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
effort is easy. If you are passionate about something, तो there is no मेहनत नहीं होती. फिर वो आप you start feeling lovable, right?
Yeah.
काम करता है, वो मेहनत नहीं होती. जहाँ आपको कोई करवाता है ना, वहाँ मेहनत होती है. ठीक है?
Yeah.
जो चीज आप चाहते हैं उसके लिए मेहनत नहीं होती. You will start enjoying. हम लोग यहाँ पे
Yeah.
मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग बैठे रहते हैं. अभी 6 hours और बैठा दे तो we will enjoy over here because we are passionate about our work. Every time we are more and more energetic. Okay, that's how it works. Right. Any other question?
Madam,
Yeah.
because I will not be able to remember the sentences which I have to say. So will I get some short notes or something like that?
Notes वगैरह तो नहीं मिलेंगे, but
ठीक है.
but the thing is, you have not taken the screenshots.
No, madam. No problem, madam. I will try to remember from my memory.
No worries, but somewhere in the tips, it will come into the YouTube, huh?
Okay.
YouTube channel में things are available. By Lavanya Patel, and इसके भी कुछ clips तो it will be there. तो ये important. I'll put it there.
Okay.
This incantation, these steps, I'll put it there. You can get it.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, happy married life के लिए this visualization works only for ourselves. If we are looking for happy married life, love from the other person, what are we supposed to visualize for ourselves?
Perfect. Very good. Visualization always work for yourself. Suppose, and if seminar होता है, this is called goal setting. If you want a very happy married life, married means the two persons are involved in that. And be certain about your contribution to the married life, and you can be completely satisfied as a wife or as a husband. But you cannot guarantee the other person to the spouse. Okay? But normal way, if the person is giving so much contribution in terms of love, peace, happiness, harmony, respect to the other person, it is the energy. If you're sending such a powerful positive energy to the other person cannot deny जाएगा, उसको आना ही है. That is universal law. Nobody can change it. If you can promise yourself, Lord, your married life, to remember that you will start getting the result. तो जो जाएगा उसको आना ही पड़ता है. उसको ना मैं बदल सकती हूँ ना कोई और बदल सकता है. So you need to work and you can be sure about your contribution. But if the other person is not willing to do that, कल को यदि हम लोग नहीं भी खुशी होगी कि I have given my 100%, forget about the other person. We can give the guarantee of self-satisfaction.
Doctor, your voice is not audible actually.
Abhi, now it is coming?
Yeah.
It is coming? Okay, right.
Yeah.
Nice. Right, Mani, anything you want to ask?
Nice. I imagined that in my mind after 1 year how I would be.
But and one more thing I would like to specify.
Okay.
Suppose you are not able to imagine very clearly, you need to write the script, complete script.
I am
5 pages. Each on that final paradigm, what am I wearing? What is the environment? How many people are there who are enjoying or celebrating my success? Okay. What is the time? Measurable, everything you are supposed to write in the form of
Doctor, I am very. I can visualize very clearly, doctor.
But that's
I don't know, but I'm having that specific art skill
oh,
to
that's
imagine, to imagine.
that's great. That's great. Right,
Yeah,
right. Thank you so much. So that's
because of
all for
you
today.
only.
Yeah.
Really nice, very nice. Huh? After coming to you, really, it's very creatively my brain is working.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Really, yeah, really. Again and again, I want to come to you to
Oh,
more and more get that.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Right.
Because during the NLP practice, we are doing some sessions also.
Yeah. Okay.
While we are doing here now, with all the music and all, so you get this.
Doctor,
Madam,
again,
your
your
voice is not.
voice is not audible. Breaking type it is.
It's
Like
breaking.
voice.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Now it's coming.
yeah. No.
Because I think slightly move back, then only it is getting right. So we are conducting it regularly in our center because we are dealing with all the psychological clients, conflict resolution, and lot of anxiety, stress in students, the teenage problems we are dealing with it. So while we are doing with the visualization is a very common practice.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think if it's possible, so you can come over here and we can give this.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so
We are
much.
always, we
Thank
are
you
always
so much
ready
to
to.
all my dear friends. So take care and
Yeah,
be
thank you.
healthy and be happy.
Very productive today.
Doctor.
Thank you.
If
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
I
ma'am.
would
Thank
be
you
in
so
front
much.
of
Thank
you.
you.
So much, Himanshu. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Take care, ma'am.
Awesome.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Lavanya. It was wonderful listening
Yeah,
to you.
it's very nice.
Tulika wants to ask something.
Yes, doctor.
One sec. Tulika wants to ask something. What is that question?
Ma'am, just wanted to ask that is it possible to visualize two goals at the same time?
Yes, it's very much possible. Suppose the finance and the health, two things together, right? So you can
Yeah.
do one image where we are totally healthy, lot of finances in terms of your car, your bunk, whatever the evidences of your finance. Okay, so two
Right.
you can join it.
Okay, so we need to connect both the goals together and somehow bridge the gap and make that two goals one and visualize. I think something like that, ma'am.
We can connect to them. Can you give me two things? So I can. Can you give me the example of two things?
Suppose not finance, but like suppose I want to do PhD, and then I want to like lose weight as well. So they both are, I'm guessing, different things.
No different things. The final day you have achieved. That is the day you became trim and smart. Right?
Okay.
You need to prioritize one become so slim, smart, so smart.
Madam, we
Okay,
cannot hear
okay.
you, madam.
Your voice is not clear.
Yeah, Tulika.
Not
Tulika, you got it?
Yes, ma'am. I was able to somehow get it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So we can do not only two things, we can do three things also. Suppose तुमने सोचा कि हाँ मेरी शादी भी हो जाए. I don't know you're married or not, but suppose ये three things are there, ना?
Yes.
You can club all the three things together.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
With your PhD degree, your spouse is also there, and you're so slim.
That would be a dream come true. Definitely would visualize.
Right, so it is possible. It is possible. Right, so
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but I couldn't listen to, I couldn't hear you only. So what was your advice on this happy married life? What should I visualize actually?
married life.
Yeah, happy married life.
Right. Because you can visualize for yourself. So you can visualize. You're contributing 100% to your married life. So how will it look? आपकी married life कैसी दिखेगी बताओ? How many members are there in your family?
3 members are there.
3 members.
My husband, me,
You
and my
just visualize at the dinner table, you are giving your 100%, and that dinner, how will it be? The experience of that dinner, okay? Where you are so loving, your husband is also very loving, and your child is enjoying both the parents. There should be one image where you can see yourself giving your 100%, and your husband is receiving your 100%, and your child is enjoying both the parents.
ma'am. Means I'm supposed to visualize a dinner table. Yeah, and I'm giving my 100%, but like I'm totally into it, and my husband is also happy having the dinner, and my child is also happy.
Perfect. And your husband is receiving your 100% contribution to your marriage life.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay.
Right? Because you are giving and he's receiving, and it's a reciprocation. It is all
Okay, ma'am.
right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So thank you so much. That's all for today. Okay. All the best.
Very nice.
All
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
who is saying, ma'am?
Ma'am, this is Tejal.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask that we visualize the things we are passionate also, but sometimes it happens that we like lose confidence and all. So how to cope up with this all things? Like we are doing the things we are but
Tejal, because Viveka, the first condition is the resourceful state. Resourceful state means you need to feel very confident. Only you can visualize. So for that, to feel confident, you just go back into the past and find out at least 2 to 3 events where you performed so well and people are also appreciating. Once you get the image, you'll start feeling very resourceful. Then only you visualize. Okay? Confidence, it is inside. But sometimes because of the environmental situation, we are not feeling confident. Go back.
Yes, doctor.
Right? We need to go back, pick the event, and get it.
Okay, TV बंद कर, पप्पा उठा से चल.
Okay, understood, Tejal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Madam, joining these 2 goals, na, the audio was not clear, madam. Just 1 or 2 sentences. Don't give much time, but 1 or 2 sentences.
What sentence?
2 goals simultaneously. When you were explaining to someone else, no, that an audio was not.
Two goals.
हाँ.
2 goals ना. Suppose you give me any 2 goal. Suppose किसी बच्चे ने किसी ने बोला ना कि जैसे 1 PhD. Wait. So you need to picturize only one thing while you are receiving your PhD, your doctorate. You are very slim, trim, and smart.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, now we need to conclude. Okay, we are running short of time. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Very productive.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.